on, guys? So we're headed to Regal once again. Hopefully make some good progress today, get some things knocked out. I'll pick the camera up when we get there. So today we're actually going to be wiring up the wideband. We already got the car on the rack, so go under here. I don't feel like raising it up, but we're gonna undo the clamp here, undo the clamp there, and then the clamp at the bottom. And probably gonna put the sensor somewhere close to here. I don't want it too far out, but once we get a spot and get this unbolted, I'll pick the camera back up and you can see what we ended up doing with it. And then you turn it like to the on position once you get it in.
Yeah, that and then
on the brake. All right, so we got it unbolted right past the header. So Steven's got laying over here. He took a marker and he marked where we're gonna put it. Where's that marker spot at?
right there where I just had my phone.
Oh. So yeah, we're gonna do it right after it Ys and splits it in one. So get her cut out and pick up a welder.
Just wanting to walk.
I could use using a wood bit.
I'm probably gonna have to get a smaller bit and pilot hole.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
So Steven,
Walker's videos suck.
Damn. so Steven, after he got done using his old wood bit,
Yeah, use a wood bit, drill hole, some metal.
He got it pretty good. So fit her on in there, touch her on both sides, and we'll give her a bead. All right, so got her welded up there now. Oh, Stephen Hawking did the weld. But
Blind man welded that, that's what happened.
it'll hold. We ain't trying to be perfect here, just being real. So we got to show everything, Stephen.
that really bad weld?
We showed really bad horsepower numbers, so might as well show really bad weld. So got the exhaust all clamped back up here. As you can see, we came out the side right here. We're gonna try to utilize this heat shield right here. Kind of tuck the wiring behind that and then drill up into where we're gonna put the wires through. So gonna try to figure out exactly where we're going to drill these holes. And once we get that figured out, I'll pull the camera back out. And then it goes up behind all the heat shield and then up through there. Gonna have to get it zip tied up here so it doesn't get close to that header. Last thing I want is a burnt wire, but after I get this lowered down, whip the camera back out and hopefully figure out where I'm gonna zip tie it to. So coming up over here, we just have it tucked with the starter wire that we ran and run it back. Had to drill another hole to run it back into, and then from here, so we're grounding it there, running along that, and then he also has the power going to the fuse block. Take this cover off real quick. If I can get it off. And then that's how that's gonna lay. So you got the fuses in there hooked up to the fuse block. Goes through the hole. It's even trying to feed a piece of wire through now so we can pull these other wires up through the A-pillar and get them situated here. My pod for the wideband still hasn't came in yet. So we're still waiting on that, but we're just gonna go ahead and get this all wired up and just have it laying on the dash for now. And then once that comes in, hopefully soon, we'll get that drilled into the A-pillar and hopefully get it looking all nice. But we'll at least go ahead and get it, see if it's working and all that tonight. So Steven had to get a wire to feed these wires up through. There is absolutely no room in here, so we have it hooked up, plugged up, turn the key on, and see if she comes alive. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. Oh, push button start. So, as you guys seen, that was a great success once again. I say things been going a little too good. Hopefully the window or something don't go out soon again. But that's going to be it for today's video. Next video, we're going to do some watt pulls and hopefully pick up the number a little bit on the dyno. Fingers crossed, we'll see. But that's going to be it. Got anything you want to add?
No, just be out on the lookout for some more videos.
Like, subscribe, and we'll see you later.